Have you ever wondered what it's like to cook in a professional kitchen at home? We stopped by Kucht at KBIS 2026, where chef-level performance meets customizable style. From bold color doors to high BTU German burners, every range is built for serious cooking and completely customizable. Doors, handles, knobs, even the colors. You can design your dream kitchen in real time.
One of the ideas we had for this section was to have an interactive technology option where you can design and customize your own kitchen in real time. So by tapping around, you can actually select which knobs and bezels you want to use and handles on which color kitchen. And we're doing a giveaway for a free range that somebody designs while they're in our booth today.
So these are towers. It comes in 18, 24, 30, and 36. These, for example, are 3, 24. You can decide how you want to make it, the combination. And it comes in panel ready, so you can have the panel of your kitchen instead of the stainless steel door.
And the hinges can be swapped around, so whichever direction works.
Yes. And
this is my favorite part for after the show.
New induction ranges, all electric for areas without gas, and a prototype grill show that Kucht is focused on innovation, design, and high performance.
So we are now in the other section of the booth. As you can see here, where we want to stand out is the new product. Here we have induction, so now we have all electric.
At Kucht, we love to match resilient products with professional feels, with modern design that are trending. And this was a previous Pantone color of the year. We look forward to continuing to follow those trends and matching them with our traditional kitchen items.
So whether you're searing, simmering, or baking, Kucht makes professional kitchens accessible, personal, and unforgettable, all under one roof. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to homeworthy.com for exclusive content, shopping guides, and so much more.